Okay guys, so you unscrew the cap, the oil filter cap, clockwise, and a lot of oil is gonna come out. Not on this one because I had previously taken it off. Well, now you got the filter right there. See? See? Yeah, there you go. That's the filter. And all you gotta do is just pop it up just like that, and it will come out. Okay. Get the oil out of there, and we're ready to install the new filter. I'm gonna clean that really good, and then I'm gonna proceed by installing the filter. Really clean. So then we're ready to put the new filter on. Okay guys, so this is very easy to get confused, and you might think that this may not have a washer, but this thing, it does have an O-ring gasket, and it's right here almost at the bottom of the canister, or the lip. Now the new filter, it should come with a new gasket, and all you have to do is just pull it out just like that, and up with a Sharpie object. Sorry about that, it's just that I'm doing it with one hand. And that O-ring is out. It's right here. It was already hardened. This thing, it gets loose. This canister, it gets loose, so you need to tighten it really good. And here comes the new O-ring that we have right here. You got a bunch of others. And I'll tell you what it is later. It's just a matter of putting the new O-ring in place. And make sure you put it on the right slot, which is one slot before the lip. Alright, see? We're ready to put the canister on. But for that, we're gonna change the filter. Okay? And yeah, the new filter, it's just like this for the Porsches, and we'll get it on next. Okay guys, this is a really good detail that I want you to take a close look at. This is the new filter, alright, the one I got from the store. Right, and it probably comes with the O-ring, and this is the old one. Here's the cap. I want you to see a little difference. This one has a little pressure cap on one of the sides, and the new one, it does not. So what you have to do is that you have to pull that little cap off. Yeah. Sometimes you can come off with your hands alone, but if you cannot, just from the other side, very careful, throw a screwdriver or something. Just try not to damage the the valve, and then all you have to do is put it on the new one, just like that, and bingo, you have it. All right, don't forget to do that. Okay, that's on the old one, that's the new one. And once we have it like that, this goes down on the cup, or this goes up on the vehicle, and this goes down. All right, and this, we're ready to throw this to the trash with the cardboard. But since I have the O-ring right there, I'm not gonna throw it right there right now. So now that I have the filter all set up, it's time to plug it in. And what I like to do is this thing was full of water because it rained. But what I like to do, like I mentioned it before, so the camera cut halfway what I was doing this, and I don't want to take this out again. But anyway, so what I did first, I plugged in the filter inside the tube. Do not put it inside the cap. Stick it in first on the tube. It stays on it, and then put the cap and tight this as much as you can with your hand. You're gonna feel it when it kind of locks itself. Do not use a tool because this is plastic and you may break it, but tighten them up with your hands as much as you can, because this thing, it does comes out loose. Alright guys, well, I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. We'll see you in another tips for dummies video, and see you later.